Tomatoes farming secrets, step-by-step guide for maximum profit. Foundation stone number 2, that is precision drip irrigation and water management. Water is life, but improper watering is the silent yield killer that drains both your harvests and your bank account. Traditional overhead irrigation wastes up to 50% of water through evaporation, runoff, and delivering water to areas where it is not needed. Switching to drip irrigation is the game-changing investment that pays for itself within 1 to 2 growing seasons through water saving alone, while simultaneously increasing your yield by between 20 to 30% through optimal plant hydration. Let's look at step-by-step implementation. Design your drip irrigation system by mapping your tomato field into zones based on topography and soil type. Purchase quality drip tape or drip babbing with the emitter space of between 12 to 18 inches apart for tomatoes. For a 1-acre plot, expect to invest approximately between $400 to $600 in a basic drip system. Though prices vary by regions, install the main line pipes along the edges of your field. Then lay drip lines along each tomato row, positioning them close to the plant stem. Connect to your water source through a simple filtration system, essential to prevent logging, and a basic fertilizer injection system if your budget allows. This enables fertilization, delivering nutrients directly to root zones with minimal waste. The key to drip irrigation success lies in scheduling. Tomatoes need consistent moisture, particularly during flowering and fruit development. Instead, moisture sensors install moisture sensors or use the simple finger test. If soil is dry, 2 inches below the surface, it is time to irrigate. Generally, provide between 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week, delivered in 2 to 3 sessions rather than daily shallow watering, which encourages deep root development. But delivering water directly to roots, you reduce disease pressure from wet foliage, minimize weed germination between rows, and can reduce water usage by between 40 to 60% compared to traditional methods. This translates to lower pumping costs, reduced disease management expenses, and healthier, more productive plants. Troubleshooting guide. If emitters clog, flush your system weekly and ensure your filter is clean. If you see uneven water distribution, check for pressure variations. Install pressure regulators if your field has significant elevation changes. If plants show signs of overwatering, that is yellowing leaves, root diseases, reduce irrigation frequency and ensure proper drainage. Remember, tomatoes prefer deep, infrequent watering over shallow. Frequent watering if you can't yet afford drip irrigation. Start with simple bucket drip system for small areas, or use mulch heavily with traditional watering to reduce frequency needed.